Nung bumalik ako here sa province, ang dami kong pantal, Lex and everywhere. And we figured out na baka sobrang namin kasing pets and pinagamot sila para mawala yung mga ticks or anything just to make sure. And then, needed na rin palitan yung bed ko kasi sobrang tagal na nun. Baka din isa siya sa factor kung ba't ako nagkakapantal sa leg. Ayun, inalis na yung kama. And then, binago ko yung wall. I don't know if pansin siya. Like, before yung fake brick wall siya. Tapos ngayon, nilime wash ko siya for the past days. We ordered the mattress from Emma. And then, the bed frame is from IKEA. Andito na yung bed frame, pero yung mga gagawa wala pa. Kasi nagpa-additional kami ng magko-construct ng bed. Kasi, girl, I cannot do that. I was so frustrated that we didn't have Wi-Fi for a long time. And at the same time, nakawala yung pusa namin. So, hinabol pa siya. Kaya hindi na ako nakapag-vlog sa pagod. Anyways, my bed is here. This is the IKEA bed. May drawer siya sa baba. Dalawa. And this is the Emma bed. I wasn't able to film na kasi I was so frustrated. But review, right now, it's so soft. And it's so thick. Though, nagkamali ng measure sa kama ko. Hindi siya medyo, lagpas talaga siya. But you know what? It's okay. It's okay. I like how it turned out, like the lime wash and things. But I'm gonna fix that pa and that one. Ayun. And then, I was able to like keep some stuff there. Here's ilalim. Though I have space pa. My comforter is still downstairs because it's not yet dry. Ayun. So, this week is my last leg of being unemployed. My first day is gonna be on Wednesday. And iniisip ko pa kung ano susunod. Hi. So, today is my first day. Actually, no. My actual first day is on September 8th. But they're making me like... They asked if I could go to the office today to meet the employee that I'm replacing. So... to the office today and it's 8:10. I was supposed to wake up at 6 but I slept so late so I woke up at around 7:30. 1 pa naman nala ako dito but I'm leaving here around 10 so that I have time to look for parking. And my friend who's in that company already bought lunch for me so sayang naman. My outfit is prepared na. Yesterday pa. It's super simple. Breakfast. This is conchita. This is gonna be my work bag. This is a Coach bag from my mom na pinagdumaan niya na hindi na niya ginagamit. So, kinuha ko sa kabinet niya. This is the outfit for today. Very simple. Do I know that they're more on the casual side? But I just wanna make sure since it's my first day. Hello. I don't know what day it is today, but I just finished working out, came from the gym, and then for the past days, I've been all mad. And today, feel ko hindi ko na talaga kakayanin if hindi ako mag-dinner today. So, magpapasta ko. I've been craving for noodles. Like, every night, yun yung nakikita ko sa FYP ko. So, inspire instead of magsamyang or anything else, instant noodles, I will make carbonara. It's been a while since I last cooked, so bear with me, but I'll make the bacon first. just an update. I'm already employed. And this week is my first week. I had free time a while ago since I was waiting for someone's task to finish. So while waiting, and usually kasi when it's work time, I really work. Like, I don't do other things kasi that's work-life balance for me. Like, when you're working, you really work, you don't do other things. And then when it's your life, you do your life. But then, a while ago, while waiting, inayos ko yung sheets and everything. Like, and I tried to study on my own. So, medyo naubusan ako ng gagawin. For now, kasi first week ko pa lang. And I really appreciate them trying not to bigla me in my first week. I really, really appreciate it. So, yun, while waiting, I made tuna pesto pasta. Truffle tuna pesto pasta. Because I don't really cook. So, this is the first time. This is my first time making tuna pesto. That is surprisingly good. This is my dinner na.
11 minutes.
Ah, okay.
From here to Emilia. But...
Ikaw mo na mag-vlog.
So right now, we're in the middle of waiting for Den so that we can kidnap her and then surprise her later. I don't know what I'm supposed to say. Right now, Skye is getting our matcha so that we have an excuse to tambay while waiting for Den. So supposedly kasi yung friends ni Den, tama ba? Yun ba yung start? Friends ni Den gusto kasi magbigay ng gift kay Den in advance before her birthday on the 16th. But then, kasi she'll be in Pampanga na. Kaso nga parang sad lang if wala kami, tas bibigay lang yung gifts sa kanya sa dorm. So we wanted to have like a live celebration before she goes back to Pampanga. So ayan, we started planning a lunch. I'm not a yapper. Ayun, dapat dinner. Oh, nasa akin na sa car. Oh, big bag.
Supposedly dinner, tas nilipat namin ng lunch. Kasi gusto mag-self-care day ni Denise. So, para di siya gahol. And then, originally, ayun, para ma-surprise siya, para mapupunta naman siya ng lunch, we invited her to a girls' day lunch. Na 4 lang kami. But then, actually, and then yung girls' day lunch namin is in Makati. And then, our actual lunch is in Malate, Manila. Layo. So, ililigaw namin siya. So, supposedly sabay kami sa Taft. And then, ililigaw ko na lang siya sa Emilia. Kaso, nagkaroon siya ng brunch. Kung nasa kami right now. So, ang dami naman excuses na sinabi para lang masundo namin si Denise. Kasi ayaw niyang magpasundo. Right?
Yes.
Ayan, so, kanina pa kami nandito. 11:30. It's 11:47. We're just waiting for Denise. Try this.
We might be a bit late.
Or baka P2P.
Hey, girls' day.
Or hatid by her dad. Maybe.
May after 2:30 ka lang.
No, I'm going to look for now. No.
What's this?
I feel like I feel like they put too much ice. And then matagal na taste tayo doon.
I didn't know you have to get it.
Talaga? Hi, vlog! CRC Skye.
Not that everything.
You know, this is the first time someone said, can I sit in the middle?
Just now. Kasi I'm vlogging.
Oh, yeah.
Guys, if I'm not vlogging, I'm gonna go there. Pero hindi tayo dito kumain.
Oh, we're just gonna drink water.
Paiyak na siya kanina. I saw.
Tapos nakita niya ako.
Siya magbabayad siya nasa gitna eh.
Hello?
So ayun, tapos na yung roll namin. Ito walang roll, walang ambag. Yung tatlong ano.
Tatlong may roll.
Oh, wait. Nakaganon talaga. I'm so here. I told Nat na I didn't like celebrating my birthday because I didn't like the attention sa akin. But the reality was I just didn't want to plan anything. Kasi parang when I plan something and then it won't go as planned, parang I'll get sad. So you guys, like planning this really means a lot to me. Since it's my 25th, so I just wanted a simple birthday and you guys like doing this for me really means a lot. Kasi syempre 25 din, like even though I keep saying na, oh, I just want something simple, like this is super big for me na. Kasi you guys are like super close to my heart. Like my Tahilan girls, my pre-pandemic Tahilan girls, my marketing friends. So parang sinasabi ko na I want to celebrate my birthday kasi nga I'm in this era of my life. I'm surrounded by so many good, kind-hearted people. And I wanted to celebrate with you guys. Pero ayun nga, like, na-late ako mag-plan about it. Na parang, bago ko lang naisip na I wanna celebrate with you guys. So, you planning this, it's like, you guys know me so well. So yeah, thank you so much.
Happy birthday!
Thank you. 25. Oh, 25? 25? 25.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Thank you guys. Another wish?
More wishes.
More drinks.